Mr. Mahesh Ashok Marathe, Assistant Professor Pharmaceutics from Sihagar College of Pharmacy, Vadgaon. Today we will learn about the manufacturing equipments. In that first, what are the major requirement for the manufacturing of any dosage form? So first we require the manufacturing area, then uses of the equipment, then we require the raw material with good quality, then well maintained and control manufacturing condition and the storage area. So manufacturing equipment for the suspension, emulsion and semi-solid. As we know, equipment plays an important role in suspension, emulsion and semi-solid dosage form. The following equipments are recommended for manufacturing of these. So first is a mixers. The efficient mixing is required to produce a stable and uniform dispersion, as after stirring in its case the component tend to separate out. So first mixer is propeller mixer. As shown in a diagram, it is a rounded three blade design that produce mostly axial flow, which provide the good flow and blending capacities in small batches of low to the medium viscosity. Propeller mixer can be installed through the side wall of process vessel in several ways. Vertical installation of propeller reduces the vortex to a considerable extent. For large tanks, side entering propeller mounted at an angle to the radius are commonly employed. They can be operated at around 300 to 400 rpm. These are used mostly for liquid-liquid blending in suspension. As shown in a diagram, there are different propeller positions to prevent the vortex formation. Now next is a turbine mixer. This is most versatile of all mixer in the entire span of mixing equipment are the axial and radial flow turbines. As we can see in the diagram, these mixer consist of the circular disc impellers attached with the blades which are short or straight or curved shape. The ratio between diameter of turbine and that of vessel may be 0.3 to 0.5. The turbine operate at slower speed, have smaller ratio between impeller and container diameter, and can produce the greater shear force than propellers. They can handle liquid of high viscosity, that is about 1 lakh centipoise, and are useful in the preparation of emulsion. The flat blade turbine produces radial and tangential flow, but a pitch blade, that is tilted, turbine produces axial flow similar to the propeller. The shear produced by turbine can be increased by a diffuser ring which is perforated or slotted stationary ring surrounding the turbine. This prevent formation of the vortex. Next is a anchor mixer. It is low speed and low capability. The anchor agitator is slow, that is at 50 rpm. This device, whose function is to rotate the content of a batch in radial direction without the providing any shear. They are typically designed to withstand a maximum viscosity. Next is high speed disperser. It is also called as saw blade disperser. This machine consists of variable speed shaft connected to an impeller. The tip speed is set around 4000 feet per minute. The diameter of impeller should be 1 by 3 of diameter of vessel. These equipment de-agglomerate the particles when the viscosity is in between 10,000 to 20,000 rpm. Next is planetary mixer. This is most common use agitator mixer used for semi-solid mixing is planetary mixer. The mixing element are usually of heavier construction and can handle material of high consistency. The element design is designed for kneading action and the moment is about its own axis and around periphery of the mixing vessel, which is helpful in clearing the material from container walls. Next is a Sigma blade mixer. It is used for semi-solid mixing. The mixing vessel is of double trough shape in which blades rotate in a direction towards each other at different speed and ensure through and uniform mixing. These mixers are used for materials of high consistency. It offers advantage of minimum dead space during the mixing, but drawback of mixer lies in that it can be operated at fixed speed only. Next type is a shear mixer. Shear mixer are the machine which can be used for size reduction as well as mixing. In that, first it's colloidal, or you can say colloid mill. It is shear mixer and consists of stator and rotor motor with the high speed. As we can see in the diagram, the clearance between rotor and stator can be adjusted of 0.05 to 0.75 mm. The product can be recycled to feed by connecting the discharge pipe to the hopper from additional shearing for recycling. It is used to disperse solid into liquid and to emulsify liquid-liquid system. These are generally used as polishing machine for emulsion or suspension because they produce fine particles or droplet size product to enhance the stability of product. They are operated at speed of 3600 rpm. The rotor diameter is 10 to 30 centimeter, which provides the flow rate in the area of 4000 to 6000 liter per hour. It is depending upon the viscosity. Next is piston type homogenizer. It is the most powerful device for producing the suspension and emulsion. It uses high power positive displacement piston type pump to produce the pressure of 300 to 10,000 psg and then force the premixed product through a specially designed restricting valve where a experimentally high shear force are exerted. Hence, turbulence and high shear are the major parameter in size reduction. Next is ultrasonic vibrating homogenizer. It is similar to high pressure homogenizer. This is effective device for dispersing and emulsifying. It is used as a positive displacement pump to force the premix liquid through a elliptical opening at the speed of 100 meter per second. This high speed flow onto the edges of blade shaped obstacles called vibrating knife. Capacity and pressure of system range from laboratory units producing 4 to 10 liter per minute at 1200 to 1700 psi to full scale production units with capacity of up to 450 liter per minute at 350 psi. Next is homogenizer. It is a high pressure homogenizer with an adjustable valve having the production capacity from 8 ml per hour to 12,000 ml per hour. A positive displacement pump produces pressure up to 30,000 psi. This apparatus produces fine emulsion. Next is the triple roll mill. It works on the mechanism of attraction and compression produced by three cylindrical metal roller. As we can see in the diagram, the roller can have diameter up to 1 meter. One of the roller is driven on its longitudinal axis and other rotated by friction. The gap between roller is adjustable. The feed material enters from the top and is shear between the roller. The roller will disperse small tightly bound agglomerates and hard discrete particles. Roller mills are used to impart smooth and uniform texture to ointments. The performed coarse ointments are forced to pass through moving stainless steel roller and a smooth product of uniform composition and texture is obtained. This equipment offers the advantage of being a continuous process and produces very uniform product. The last equipment is ball mill. It is used for size reduction of fine solid discrete particle or for de-agglomeration of very tightly bound agglomerates. The machine consists of cylindrical drum into which a charge of heavy spherical balls, usually metal or ceramic, is loaded along with the component of the dispersion. Thank you.